Three terror attacks have hit the valley since Sunday: Riyasi, Kathua and Doda. And politics has erupted over the matter. NC's chief, Farooq Abdullah, has batted for talks once again with Pakistan. It's a remark that he's made before, which drew flack owing to the fact that External Affairs Minister Dr. Jai Shankar has repeatedly said that good ties cannot exist while cross-border terrorism exists.
I've always told you, terrorism is not going to end unless there is understanding between the two nations. Tragedy is innocent people are killed. The foreign minister himself has said only yesterday that with China we have to continue dialogue, and he has mentioned for the first time Pakistan also. I hope they continue and they find a solution to it.
Meanwhile, Delhi Minister Saurabh Bharadwaj hit out at the centre, saying that despite changing the special status of Jammu and Kashmir, the centre hasn't been able to decrease terror activity. Congress's Pawan Khera also called Naya Kashmir a failure. So that's the latest that's coming in from Jammu and Kashmir. There seems to be a rise in the terror incidents, the latest, of course, being earlier today in Kathua and Doda. Of course, politics as usual erupting out of these three incidents of terror that have taken place in Jammu and Kashmir. The opposition parties hitting out at the BJP-led centre. Let's also quickly listen in to what Saurabh Bharadwaj of the Aam Aadmi Party said on this.
जम्मू कश्मीर का स्टेटस बदलने के बावजूद भी केंद्र सरकार आतंकवाद को कम नहीं कर पाई है। जम्मू कश्मीर के अलावा पूर्वोत्तर में भी चीन की हरकतें बढ़ती जा रही हैं। मुझे लगता है कि केंद्र सरकार को अपनी विदेश नीति के ऊपर दोबारा से सभी दलों के साथ चर्चा करनी चाहिए।
Let me go across to my colleague Yavar, who's joining us from Jammu and Kashmir to get us the latest. Yavar, politics, of course, erupting out of these terror incidents that have taken place. But what are the security forces saying? What's the latest situation? And, what all action has been taken regarding this?
Well, exactly as of now, the operation in the two areas, that's the Doda and the Kathua, is still intact. In fact, the encounter ensued there last night. Remember that two militants and a CRPF Jawan, they were killed in an encounter which ensued in the Kathua yesterday. And in the Doda, the militants, they carried out an attack on the joint Naka party of the army and the police, in which 5 of the soldiers and an SPO of JNK police, they were injured. And following that, there has been the adequate security cover that have been put in place across the sensitive locations of the Pir Panjal range. Remember that these three back-to-back strikes have given the grounds to the politics in the Kashmir Valley. Earlier, it was the Farooq Abdullah who said that we still have a problem with our neighbor, that's the Pakistan, and it can't be solved with the military solution. In fact, there should be the dialogue process on the table. And we have a tweet from the Mehbooba Mufti in which she has to say that what's been happening in the Jammu region, what the security agencies are doing, so as the Congress hitting out at the BJP, saying that if they are saying that after the abrogation of Article 370, the situation is conducive in the region, what has happened, why these attacks has taken place. So clear to mention here is that there has been the politics that's gained the ground, but talking about the military operation that's being conducted in the DO regions of the Jammu, that's been underway. Now remember that already the JNK top cops have to say that adequate security cover have been put in place, and to ensure that the operation is still intact in the area. Remember that the vehicle of the top officers of the JNK police, DIG Jammu Samba range and the SSP Kathua, they have been fired upon by the militants. So clear to mention here is that the entire regions have been taken up by the security agency. In fact, the sources are saying that in other regions of the Pir Panjal, that's the Rajouri and Poonch, the adequate security cover have been put in place, and the security across the Jammu and Kashmir is on the high alert after the back-to-back militant strikes. Back to you.
Right.